Welcome back. Okay, so I have another super rush video because I gotta go to the other office and do other work, so this is gonna be a very quick one, and I've been meaning to film this one for a while, and it's basically a warning because I have this Petal Card over here. I think this is the first edition Petal Card, and on their website right now, I have it on my screen over here, you can probably tell that they have two cards available now. I don't know what this one falls under, but I got this when the company first came out. Someone put on a referral link and it seemed interesting. Why? Because they don't check your credit score and you basically get a card that goes on your credit report, so it would have helped. And the way how is because they don't have an annual fee. There's no degradation mark when you first check your credit, so the credit then goes up and you basically keep this card for forever. That was my plan. That's why I got the card in the first place. I was never planning on using it. Now I do know that some credit cards basically tell you, hey, if you're not going to use the card within a year, they'll send you a warning message. You would then have to essentially use the card to keep the account open. If not, they'll close your account. So the reason why Petal really annoyed me, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my email over here. I already searched Petal Card and you'll see the emails I got. So the first one is a congratulations because I then got approved for the card, and then they basically said Credit Karma is like, oh look, you got a new credit card, nice, which they didn't report on my credit report until after I got the card. They checked my bank account, which is their whole platform. If you see over here is a new approach for credit is how they check your bank and they see from your bank account how many deposits you get compared to withdrawals, whether or not they should give you a card. And so then they sent one spam email about Instagram, basically pictures, and then the next one is your account is closed. What's up with that? So I'm very annoyed at this still, and I'm just kind of, why wouldn't you just give me a warning, use my account, or we're going to close it? I don't understand. You get money, you get your processing fee, I spend money on whatever I need to spend it, and I help my credit score. But they just closed the account, which really bugged me. So I contacted support, and they told me that this is a bot. So I then contacted support, like an actual phone call, and they told me we can't reopen your account. You can apply again. And I'm like, no. So as you can see here on my Credit Karma report, the card comes up as closed, which is a degradation mark. Why? It's not really a huge thing because I wanted to keep a card open for as long as possible. Essentially having that card just to increase my average account length. So the way how credit works, in case you don't know, there are a few things. One of them is the average length of accounts being kept open, which is why a lot of people like long mortgages. They're like, oh, I can keep this on my credit report, it'll be a good thing. Or that you just basically keep a no annual fee card on your report for as long as possible, and that way you basically have a better credit score. So that was my plan with this card, and they closed without warning, which I don't think any credit card issuer should ever do. It's just very irritating as a consumer, and I do not recommend Petal Card for that reason. You guys can go ahead and use it, especially if you're planning on using the card, then go ahead. Maybe it's a great option. I think there are a lot of better cards out there with way better options. Chase Freedom, for example. I'm going to go ahead and put a referral link in the description for the Chase Freedom, because why not? And if you guys want me to do more credit card videos, please let me know down in the comments, because it is something I like researching. It is something I personally watch on YouTube. I do like the finance YouTubers like Graham Stephan, Credit Shifu. Really, really nice people, as you can just tell by watching their videos. So I highly recommend them if you haven't checked them out already or aren't watching them and got referred to this channel somehow. Which, if you are, go ahead and subscribe, because I currently have, at the time of this recording, 30 subscribers. You don't believe me? Hold on. I'm gonna show you. So, as you can tell, I got this nice setup and got 30 subs. What's up with that? So you guys should smash that subscribe button and then hit the like button. So be very aggressive down there, and why not also, kick a comment in there as well. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.